How to set up Call Park. Ooma Office Call Park features are different than putting a call on hold or transferring a call. Rather than placing a call on hold, where it can only be retrieved on the same device, or transferring a call from one specific transfer destination, a parked call can be retrieved on any enabled device in the account by any user who knows the parking spot. To set up Call Park, start by searching the knowledge base of Ooma Office Manager, where you will find detailed information about the Call Park feature, including best practices for using it with different types of devices. There are 3 methods to parking a call, and the one you use depends upon the devices you have. The easiest and preferred method is to program the Yealink IP phones in the account to have a Call Park button that assigns them all to the same parking spot. When a two-way call is parked by pressing the button, a visual indication of the parked call is available to all of the programmed phones. The call can be retrieved by pressing the Call Park button on any of the phones, and up to 5 parking spots can be used at once. For an IP phone without programmable buttons or a DP1 desk phone, the process is to transfer using star code 41 and entering a parking spot number that can be set up using any number from 1 to 9,999, followed by pound. To retrieve a call from any other device, use star 41 and the parking spot number, followed by pound. On an analog phone, like a cordless handset, an additional star 1 code must be used to initiate a transfer. Then, star code 41 and the parking spot number, followed by pound. This is helpful for companies using multi-line phone systems that have been used to placing calls on hold. Call Park will help them accommodate more incoming phone calls faster by freeing up the restrictions imposed by the number of lines they have. As always, if you have any questions, Ooma representatives are ready to assist you 24 hours, 7 days a week. So don't hesitate to call. We're here to help.